Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. I will be showing you how to achieve this butterfly kind of 20s chola inspired brow glam. I will be taking my Danessa Myricks palette, my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, and my Ben Nye color palette to achieve this look. I'll be starting by taking some white eyeshadow powder and just defining my new brow arch, as you may call it. Because I am going to be drawing a thin line over it, I wanted to give myself a much higher brow arch. Because I'm just going with the flow, I kind of just put the white everywhere. But my next step is taking a brown shade and just defining a new crease. I'm taking it in a circular motion with a very, very light hand, and I'm just sweeping it back and forth to create the desired shape that I want. Starting here, I realized I wanted to bring my eye shape a little bit more up, so I'm dragging this brown shadow across onto my temples, a little bit onto the forehead. I want to be able to create like an elevated kind of look, and with this I'm going to be adding some pink just to give some more dimension because I knew I wanted to add color. Once I felt like it was blended out, I am taking just a yellow shade, kind of going everywhere with it across that pink. Then I went ahead with a blue shade and started defining like a kind of wing shape to give it that like butterfly effect. I took this blue shade and I dragged it out to create more of a wing effect, and then I packed on some more of that color. With a slightly darker shade of blue, it's a bit of a different hue. I defined the wing just a tad, and then I'm bringing it up into my crease to give me more of a snatched look. And then I took some black shadow, went right across that blue, and I wanted to create another wing on top of this. Then I dragged it onto my bottom lash to create this kind of like smoky blue effect underneath my eye. Here comes my favorite eyeliner of all time, well, at least right now. It is One Size Eyeliner by Patrick Starr. I feel like the fluid in it, it just flows so nicely. It also has a sharp end. It's made with a felt tip, and so I'm able to get like a precise line almost every single time unless I mess up. Now, if I make a mistake with an eyeliner, I kind of just go with the flow. I make it into something new, and it's not really drawn out in my head. It's kind of just whatever feels right, I'll go with it. As they say, glitter fixes everything. I mean, nothing was wrong. You could have stopped before the eyeliner or, before applying this glitter, but I felt like it just needed that extra little push to give it that more editorial glam look. I'm just packing on different shades of glitter from this Danessa Myricks palette, and next is bronzer. This is Beauty Creations bronzer. I just wanted to give me more warmth to kind of like match in and play with my hair a little bit. I'm also taking their blush, applying it to the apples of my cheeks this time. I'm not really applying it up high on my cheekbone because I want to give it that like vintage kind of feel where the blush was dragging down onto the cheek. Next is my lip liner. It's just my go-to with the brown lip, taking it and drawing it on and creating the shape that I want. Once I felt like the shape was complete, my look is complete. I mean, it's a little lopsided, but who cares anyways. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys recreate this look, and I can't wait till the next one. Bye.